In this emerging world, the construction industry is at its peak with magnificent structures. The massive growth in the construction industry translates into higher demand for building materials. Concrete is one of the most significant materials used in construction, and the major constituent in the production of concrete is cement. As we know, every coin has two sides. Fast development of construction all around the world provides luxurious facilities, but it also creates an adverse impact on the environment. CO2 emission and exploitation of natural materials are on top of the impacts list. Conservative estimates of cement production contributes 8% of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Since the last few decades, our society has become conscious of the deposit problems connected with residual products and demands. Hence, the government has also imposed taxes and restrictions to control it. However, restrictions are not the solution. The solution lies in finding alternatives which are green and economical. Thus, few alternatives have been explored, and moving towards green concrete is one of them. In ACE GREENCEMT, we are aware about this high trend of demand, but our philosophy is to supply these basic human needs while keeping our Mother Nature safe.
I founded ACE Group of companies with the primary intention of using coal ash in a proper way. The abundance of it, and if you can use it properly, you will get a lot of advantage out of it. As most of you may not aware, coal ash consists a property which is quite equivalent to cement, which is a pozzolanic properties. Pozzolanic material has been used in Roman buildings way back 2000 years ago. The building still stands, which goes to show coal ash, it could be a waste hazardous material, but it could be used in proper way and useful for human being. That is one of the reasons that I have decided to have ACE GREENCEMT's motto as nurturing a greener world. And of course, our logo, a trademark, is GREENCEMT.
GREENCEMT is an abbreviation of green cement, is an eco-friendly product which resolves serious environmental issues and minimizes the carbon footprint of cement production. It considers every aspect, starting from raw materials to its manufacture. GREENCEMT is made with the use of industrial waste material called fly ash as one of its components. Fly ash is a waste product of coal combustion in coal-fired power plants. It is estimated to be produced up to 600 million tons per year in the world. Use of fly ash as replacement materials in the concrete have dual advantages of a better way of waste disposal and cost reduction. In ACE Group, we offer highest quality of fly ash to Malaysian construction industry, which has the following advantages. Make use of industrial waste. Requires less energy. Lowers carbon dioxide emission. Beneficial for contractors. Durable and stronger structures. Major applications of our eco-friendly products are to use as bridges, dams, building construction, road construction.
CA has many advantages. For a start, first thing, CO2 emission in cement manufacturing. As many may aware that 1 ton of cement to produce, you will emit as much as 1 ton of CO2. Now, if you can replace up to 35%, which allowed in standards, you can reduce 35% CO2 emission in cement processes. Now, subsequent one that I can think that one of the advantages which is really need to be highlighted here is 80% of raw material being used in cement manufacturing consists of limestone, which means we're going to cut down the limestone hill. So you can really see how it will save, conserve our natural resources in a big way. Last but not least, which I can think of, the primary advantages that CA can give is CA being hazardous material, which was in Department of Environment of Malaysia as allowed for, it has to be properly disposed, or rather properly stored. So it has to be properly stored in a lagoon with liners to avoid any leachages. So it will be actually spending so much of money to put up those sort of lagoons and ponds. By that, you're actually saving costs as well as you are making good use of the land utilization. Traditionally, CA has been used by cement manufacturers by processing it in cement plants. Well, we have come out with the new ways, which is by reusing it. We can supply directly to the end user and they do their site blending. Now by this, you are actually reducing the double handling processes, which actually emits CO2, whereby the transportation does. For this, CA was recognized by Environment Council of Singapore as a green label product. We were given a certificate for that.
We are specialized in innovating and manufacturing eco-green products for the building industry, using a minimum of 20% fly ash in our products. Core business is in marketing of fly ash for the construction industry. Largest supply of fly ash in Malaysia. Special waste management license from the Department of Environment to supply to multiple locations.
In ACE Group, we have embarked heavily on R&D in making use of coal ash other than the single usage currently we are using. For this, we have made a tie-up with a Japanese company which will provide us the technological expertise. And we have advanced now to manage to get a new way of using coal ash in cleaning rivers, rather dirty rivers. Majority portion of the ingredient that we're going to use in this product will be coal ash. And we're going to call it as Green Life. Moving forward, I personally feel that Green Life will be the product that really required in Malaysian industry. Not only Malaysia, but other part of the world as well, to clean the polluted rivers. My ultimate dream, ACE Group of companies, will be one-stop solution for all CA.
Our desires in ACE GREENCEMT do not stop here. We are constantly working towards a brighter future by evolving and changing how things are getting done in greener, more efficient, and more sustainable ways. Our tireless R&D team is working day and night to introduce similar solutions as to what we did 10 years ago, and you may rest assured that our nurturing greener world will continue.